Welcome back everyone, Mike McConville here one more time for StringTech, Stratford, Ontario, Canada. We have this PRS in of Brian's that I worked on quite a few years ago now, and it's in for a fret dress. This is a short video, so just wanted to differentiate between when you have enough wear in those first few frets to warrant actually pulling the frets out and replacing them, or when you have this much wear, and with this fret we still got a full 44 thou even with the wear, we can use the scrub block that I send out in the fretting kits, and that will get rid of every trace of wear that you see. So in this case I'm starting with 600 grit. My second piece is 600. So there you go, there's our first pass with 600 grit. We're going to step it up to 800 next. So I did a few passes with 800 grit, and this is after our final buff. I did want to send a shout out to River Wide and Deep, one of my long time subscribers. I did take your advice and I tapped into this lever on the die grinder, threaded this hex head bolt into the handle of the die grinder as a speed control. It works perfectly. Thank you to RWD. This is what we ended up with. Now I did do that compensated nut a few years back now. I did adjust that truss rod before doing the fret dress and then readjusted it again once the string tension was on and it was tuned up to concert. So the bridge is set to float. You can pull back a little bit and then double check the radius on the saddles to match the fingerboard, pick up height, and we're ready to go plug this thing in and really have a listen. So this is the loop.